So the monitor is finally here. Hey, what's up guys, it's Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today's video is going to be super awesome because the monitor that I was talking about is finally here on my desk. This is Gigabyte's Aorus RGB gaming monitor, guys. Now this is a very awesome monitor and comes with some really cool features which I'll tell you in this video. So this is their brand new Aorus CV27F gaming tactical monitor that comes with some really cool features, like it's got an insanely high 165Hz refresh rate. Along with that, it's got a super fast 1 millisecond response time, and not only that, it goes way beyond sRGB color gamut. It covers up to 90% of DCI-P3 color gamut. And the best part about this monitor is this is a HDR gaming monitor, guys. And I think this is the first time I'm actually making a video on HDR gaming monitor. So yes, we're gonna experience some HDR gaming in this video. Alright then, let's get started with the unboxing. So the Aorus CV27F gaming monitor comes in this sort of huge box packing. It's a 27-inch full HD curved HDR gaming monitor. We've got a picture of the monitor on the front, the Aorus logo at the top, and the model of the product on the bottom right corner. Let's see what else is written on the box packing. So on the other side, we've got a picture of the monitor from the front view and has the Aorus branding everywhere on the box. Alright, let me just tell you the special features of this product. It's got an insanely high 165Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond ultra fast response time, active noise cancellation for headphones, and covers up to 90% of DCI-P3 color gamut. And not only that, it's got a lot more other features like RGB lighting and also has support for FreeSync to HDR. Those are some crazy awesome features, right? Now let's finally unbox it and check out the product. Let me grab my knife and cut this seal on the box. By the way guys, there's a special giveaway arranged by Gigabyte in this video. They'll be giving away some awesome goodies to 5 lucky winners. We'll talk about that at a later part, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Alright, on opening the box, we got some paperwork at the top. Along with that, you get 2 different type of mains cord for different type of plugs, a USB 3.0 cable, a free DisplayPort cable, and also a free HDMI cable. Those are all the accessories we got in the package. Now let's take the monitor out of the box and see how it looks like. It came nicely packed like this, and man, this thing is quite heavy. Looks like we've got the monitor stand here. Let me show you. Oh, this is actually the base of the stand, guys. It's got a V-like design, has Aorus branding here, and it's entirely made of metal. Now let's finally check out the monitor. So here it is, everything looks nicely packed, and along with the monitor we've got the adjustable stand over here. You need to fix it to the monitor before you can actually use it. Wow, it's got a nice design with a matte black finish, has the Aorus logo here, and the build quality looks top notch. Okay, now it's time for the Aorus gaming monitor. Let me take it out of this cover. And here it is, our much awaited curved HDR gaming monitor from Gigabyte. Oh my god, just look at that beautiful curve. Wow, the design looks pretty impressive from my first impressions. It's got a 27-inch full HD display with very thin bezels on the sides. We've got the Aorus branding everywhere, and this is how it looks from the back. Nice, right? So what I'll do now is I'll fix this monitor on the stand and be right back to continue the video. Fixing the stand to the monitor is very simple. It's got a clip-on type mechanism. You just need to align properly and push it gently so it automatically locks itself. Now in the same way, fix the base of the stand using the provided screw. And that's it. This is how our completely assembled CV27F Aorus gaming monitor looks like. It's got a beautiful design with a 1500R curved panel and comes with a fully adjustable stand. Talking about the design, the back of the monitor is inspired from the wings of Falcon and features wing-shaped contours that fully glow in RGB. So let me give you an overview on the monitor and then talk about all of its features. The CV27F has a 27-inch Full HD 1500R curved HDR display with a 165Hz super high refresh rate and 1 millisecond ultra fast response time. It's got an anti-glare panel and has an Aorus logo on the front. Let me peel the sticker over here. There you go. I have to mention the bezels on this monitor are very thin on the sides. And heading over to the backside, this is how it looks like. The design of this monitor gives an awesome gaming feel and looks very beautiful from the back. It's got a solid construction with a fully adjustable stand. You can adjust the height of the monitor, tilt it, or even rotate the panel just like this. The monitor has a matte black finish with the Aorus logo at the center, and also you have a slot over here for smart cable management. Talking about the build quality of the product is very good. I can't wait to power it on and see how it looks like. But before that, let me show you all the available connectivity ports on it. The Aorus monitor comes with a built-in power supply. You just need to connect a mains card over here to get started. And on the right side, you got a lot of connectivity ports, which includes two USB 3.0 ports, a USB 3.0 Type B port, a display port, two HDMI ports, a microphone, and a 3.5mm headphone port. Now let me power on the monitor and show you how the RGB lighting on it looks like. So as soon as you power it on, the falcon wings at the back start glowing in beautiful RGB lighting. This monitor is powered by RGB Fusion 2.0 and creates a nice gaming ambience. The LED lighting on it is fully customizable and offers a variety of lighting effects, all controllable with the RGB Fusion app. So that was a complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now what I'll do is, using this monitor, I'll create a complete new Aorus gaming setup and be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, I'm back and this is how our brand new Aorus gaming setup looks like. Everything used on this desk is from Aorus except the peripherals, and that's why I've named it the Aorus gaming setup. You guys remember my video on the Aorus PC which I posted a few days ago? We'll be using that same gaming PC. We'll be playing some highly demanded games requested by you guys on that video and see how it feels on this setup. So let's get started. First, let's start off with PUBG. The Aorus gaming PC is powered by Ryzen 5 3600X, which is a 6-core 12-thread CPU clocked up to 4.4 GHz. It's got Gigabyte's latest Radeon RX 5700 XT Gaming OC edition with 8 GB of VRAM, a 1 TB PCI Gen 4 Aorus SSD coupled with 16 GB of Aorus RGB RAM. And oh my god, just look at that gameplay on this setup. We're getting a buttery smooth gameplay experience with an average frame rate of around 120 frames per second at 1080p ultra graphics settings. Just see how good PUBG is running on it. And I have to say, the monitor looks absolutely gorgeous. To be honest, I've never seen a gaming monitor with this good color reproduction. The reason for that is, most of the gaming monitors we've seen so far on the channel had a TN panel and were not true 8-bit monitors. They were all 6-bit plus FRC. But this Aorus CV27F has a native 8-bit VA panel and covers up to 90% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, which is way beyond sRGB. That means it's capable of showing wide range of colors and gives a much more realistic feel while gaming. Talking about the other details, it's a 1080p HDR monitor that's both G-Sync as well as FreeSync 2 compatible and supports a super high refresh rate of up to 165Hz. From my experience, the display looks sharp, it's bright, has 400 nits of brightness, the contrast levels are good, the colors look rich and nice, and the dynamic range is also pretty good. There's a good amount of detail in both the shadows as well as the highlight areas. I am very impressed by this VA panel, much better than what a TN gaming monitor could offer. Playing games on this monitor feels so good, it offers buttery smooth gaming experience, all thanks to FreeSync 2 technology. It's got a super fast 1 millisecond response time, and I didn't face any sort of stutters or input lags while gaming. Along with all of that, Aorus has also provided some game exclusive features like the black equalizer, aim stabilizer, active noise cancellation for headphones, and many more game assist features which you can access from the menu. So that was about PUBG. Along with that, I've also played Battlefield 5 in 1080p resolution at ultra graphics settings. But this time the difference is, we'll be playing this game in HDR. I have to tell you, gaming in HDR is a complete next level experience. It's actually a bit difficult to show you the HDR difference in this video. You guys should actually see it with your own eyes and experience it to understand the real difference in gaming. But to put it in simple words, it feels phenomenal. You get excellent dynamic range and will start observing a lot of detail which was not previously available. And I've also noticed an improvement in the color reproduction. It exhibits a much wider spectrum of colors which makes the game look very beautiful and realistic. HDR definitely brings a huge difference in gaming. Just check out this clip. And yes, just like most of the other gaming monitors, even this one supports blue light reduction and flicker-free technology. Well, that's it guys, that was my video on this new Aorus gaming setup. I really loved the monitor, it was doing an excellent job for the price, and even the Aorus PC was performing great. I was quite satisfied with the results. The monitor costs around $350 and will be coming soon to India. So what do you guys think about the setup? Do leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. And yes, not to forget about the giveaway. As I've told you earlier, Gigabyte has arranged a special giveaway for you guys and will be giving away 2 Aorus hoodies as well as 3 Aorus t-shirts. To participate in this contest, all you need to do is you have to mention 3 exclusive features that you liked about the monitor in the comment section down below. And also you need to follow Aorus on their social media accounts. That's it, you'll automatically enter this giveaway. 5 winners will be chosen by the company in the comment section and announced on their Facebook page on 7th of October. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.